Welcome back to Shaving Done Under, and I'm Doug, and we've got an unboxing today. It's come all the way from England. It's a mixed box of goodies, and this time just want to say that I didn't forget the knife. So I brought it along today, back to work. Here it is again. Just throw it, have a quick look. Let's get into it. Very, very sharp blade. Put that to one side. Hope you're all well. Let's see, I reckon looks like a flap here. Just be careful. This blade is ultra sharp. Well, this will get it for sure. I wanted to put my thumb on it to retract it. Better not do that too often. I don't think we'll need this for now. Just carefully put that away. Wow. Okay. I'll just move this back a bit. So we've got this here. It's given it away on the cover there. Oh yeah. This is going to be a magical unboxing. Oh, wait till you see this. Oh my God. Another one of them. And another, first one of them. Is that it? Is there anything else in amongst the peanuts? Rightio, let's move that out of the way. So I think I might break this up into two unboxings. Or I'll do it all in one. Right, we'll do these ones first. So this will be, let's get the knife out again. So this will be part one. And we'll get into this one. Now this one is an interesting one. I just couldn't help myself, had to have it. Hang on a sec. Skizzers. Rightio. So this is a used blade box. See there? So it is parquetry. That does appear to be, I don't know. Looks like it's all individual pieces of wood. So something here opens up. There we go. So when you go to get rid of your old blades, slide this out. So this come up on the mark, I think, in eBay in England, and I thought, I've just got to have this. Looks pretty cool, pretty different. Let's stay on the blade bank theme. So, Eveready blades, British made. Bit of a silly thing putting the hole down there. You'd think you'd put it up here. Not sure what they were thinking when they made that, but this one, it I don't think it slides all the way off, but it opens up that far anyway. So I saw this and I thought, there's another blade bank I need to get hold of, and I did. So that makes two. Okay, and this one's been dinged up. It's seen much better days. But another Eclipse blade bank, and I've got two that are the same at home, and I saw this one and I thought, oh, I've got to grab this. It's different to the other ones. Not sure what's been going on there for that to happen. Looks like it's probably been laying somewhere and stuff's been thrown on top of it. For a theory. And let's finish with one of these. I'd also like to thank Brian in England. He's a fellow collector for a group I'm involved with, and not only does he help me but all of us collect razors and then post them onto us, acting as a proxy address. So that's another one, another Milady. I've got a few of these now, and it opens up and it's in nice condition for its age. Looks like some blades or empty blade. That's empty, that's got a blade in it. Bit bizarre, but I'll pop them back behind there. Sort of like these little lady Gillettes. Just got a nice look about it. There, split the handle. But yeah, really nice condition. Looked like it wasn't overtly used by the woman who bought it. So there we have it. So that's part one of the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed that. Please stick around. Come back next week for the next two razors that I'll be unboxing from this proxy box from England. Okay, see you then.